stay tuned also for some major information that happening quietly with Hermes without any announcement, and this is important one, so please stay tuned. Hi guys, today we're gonna do Hermes handbag unboxing. Please stay with me. Hi guys, welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. My name is Oksana. Thank you very much for clicking on this video. Today we're gonna do Hermes handbag unboxing. I'm so excited about unboxing of this handbag, but please obviously watch unboxing, find what kind of handbag I got, but stay tuned also for some major information that happening quietly with Hermes without any announcement, and this is important one, so please stay tuned. But before I actually show you my new Hermes handbag, I wanna introduce you to absolutely fantastic company that actually upcycling Hermes pieces. This is JMyLady. They have free shipping on certain amount of purchase. They have 7 days exchange or return guarantee, and they have 6 months of quality assurance, so it's absolutely fantastic. And I will show you what they are actually doing, and I'm so excited. Lately, in the last 5 years, I travel a lot, and what they do, they upcycle Hermes dust bags. This is original, this is not fake, this is original Hermes dust bags, and in the state of throwing away these dust bags, they are upcycling them and making these fantastic pieces for travel. And I really love, there is also extra zipper over here for some of the items that you wanna put in. And I think you could never have enough of travel pouches, as I said, and you can use this for makeup. You can use this even for some of the electronic pieces, or like your storage or your cables, etc. This little cutie, and the quality of the stitches is absolutely perfect. I maybe even include a video how they're doing all this perfect stitching, and I absolutely love it. And the second piece is even cuter. It's absolute like cosmetic pouch, and I love attention to details. They even put little Hermes like, you know, ribbon on the zipper for ease of pulling. So, and that's how it looks like inside. They even upcycle all these little thingies that, like, you know, Hermes. There is a little pocket over there that you can even, I don't know if it's for travel, and you can even use it like, you know, for your coins, etc. And just a flat pocket over there. Absolutely the cutest things ever. I love the back. They also give me a special code, my promotional code. I obviously gonna include somewhere over here. Please support my channel and support this beautiful company. They are not only using Hermes dust bags, I believe also they are using Louis Vuitton leathers for upcycling and creating cute pieces like charms, etc. So visit their website. Let me show you again so here's the cardigan. It's a JMyLady. I'm gonna include also the website and all the links in the description box below. My last thank you for JMyLady for sending these absolutely cutest pieces to me, and I'm looking forward to use them. So let's continue with unboxing. There you go, guys. So I'm gonna tell you that this is a mini handbag. This is quite popular handbag lately. This is not a quarter bag, so if you're looking for a quarter, this is not a quarter bag. So I am very excited about this handbag. So there you go. Let me just be very careful. I wanna do unboxing. To me, you know, Hermes unboxing is always so exciting and unique. I hope that Hermes gonna continue with their kind of like nice route, not the wrong one. By the way, I just did a video about the changes that happening in Hermes. Anyway, here is the bag. It obviously comes with the booklet, the whole packaging. You have seen zillions of these videos on the YouTube and internet in general, so I'm gonna put it away. And this is the handbag. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Maybe even giving a little bit. So this is Hermes her bag in mini size in the color Rouge Ash, one of my absolute favorite color from Hermes, with gold hardware. Absolute beauty, and it's such a comfortable handbag to use, and it's quite you know, roomy handbag. You can put a lot of stuff. The back pocket, I will tell you right away, it doesn't fit the phone. My phone is iPhone 12. It's actually old one, but obviously I have the case. Maybe without the case you can put it. Even with the case, I kind of, but I don't want to stretch. You kind of maybe can squeeze, but unless if you have smaller size of the phone. But it's very useful for the, I don't know, the key, the earphones, etc. Anyway, so let me show you closer. The top of this bag is made with hunter leather. Hunter leather is somewhat similar to box leather. It also can be fairly easily scratched, but it's not as shiny as a box leather. It has a little bit shine and shimmer, but not as shiny. It's also thick as box leather. And lately also they have other bag. It's a new bag. It's in my previous year when I was traveling to Paris, I saw that bag. In translation to English from French, it's kind of like an apron, and it was also with the hunter leather. I love that bag. So let's open up. So that's how it looks like. There is nothing inside, but you can unbuckle everything and you can actually reverse this bag. In this case, the pocket will be at the back. There is also, it says right there, Hermes, I think it says Hermes Paris, made in France, if I'm not mistaken. Yes, Hermes Paris, made in France. There is this zipper, the famous H zipper, and this bag. So here comes the most important information. I got this bag from the website, and like, I mean, Canadian website. As I said, even in my latest video, there is more and more availability of the handbag, and it comes with this new tag. See this new tag. Previously I was purchasing handbag from the Hermes website and it doesn't come with the tag. Now it comes with the tag like that. So you kind of, if you're gonna take off the tag, you cannot return it. It's their new rules. And the other things I want to mention to you, when I received the bag, I looked through all the unpackaging and I couldn't find the receipt. So I called the customer service and I said, listen, I'm looking for the receipt and I cannot find. And I was fairly shocked what they replied to me. They said, from now on, we're not going to provide any receipts. And I'm like, what do you mean by that? I never saw anything like that. You purchase the item, you pay the money. It's supposed to be some kind of receipt with the delivery. They go, no, we're only sending receipts right now via email. And I'm like, I'm I don't understand. She goes like, no, but you purchased, you got the acknowledgement over the internet, you have that web receipt. I said, yes, I do, but it's normal when you purchase something, you should get some kind of physical copy. She goes, from now on, we only provide physical copy like that if you're gonna select a gift receipt. So from now on, anything you're buying from the website, I don't know if it's for the handbags or anything else, but you have to select a gift receipt to actually receive a copy of the receipt, which is absolutely crazy. So I said, okay, can I get a gift receipt in this case? Again, she was asking me, can I send you via email copy? I said, no, I want the physical things. I want the physical receipt at least. So anyway, finally, after somewhat debates, they send me a physical receipt, and they have to send actual via normal mail. I received it in 2 weeks or so, the actual physical receipt, and it says gift receipt. It's just a mention of the bag and it's a gift receipt. This is absolutely crazy. When I asked why, they said, oh, we are trying to kind of minimize the waste, because like, see how much is the printing of the paper and saving the environment and all that stuff. But I think they kind of trying to prevent resales. That's my understanding, or I don't know, maybe there is something else. If any of you experience something like that, please let me know. I don't know if it's just in Canada or if it's everywhere around the world. Please put all your comments, because this is really important. If from now on they don't provide the receipts, then what? Tomorrow they're not gonna provide the boxes. After tomorrow they're gonna stop providing the dust bags. And it's actually the same trend with Chanel used to be. I remember I was purchasing the bag from the boutique, and they were saying, oh, from now on we don't provide any felt packaging. I was like, what do you mean? And they removing all the you know, plastic protection stickers. They go, no, but you're purchasing for yourself. I'm like, yes, but I'm the buyer, not you. I have a right to remove all those plastic, you know, protective stickers. The bag comes with the felt protection, so it means it has to be in the package. There was the same trend happening with Chanel when they were told that they were trying to prevent resales. It looks like, again, Hermes going to that direction. Nevertheless, extremely excited about this handbag. Let me know what you think. It's very, very cute. It's very, very cute, and I have some shoes that will go perfectly over the summer. The only one thing it's kind of slightly annoying, it's all this, like, you know, how you're supposed to close up. But I know some of the girls, they're not even closing, they just kind of like, you know, keeping like that open. And if there is something like a wallet or something, you can clearly put it on the back pocket, which is like more safe. Over here you can just, like, you know, put your sunglasses, I don't know, sanitizer, some lipsticks, etc. So anyway, let me know what you think of my new handbag. I'm so excited. So that's about it for today. I hope to see you on my next one. And please comment what you know about this new situation with the receipts. Please comment below. Thank you very much for being here with me, and I will see you on my next one.